Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new tutorial, and in this following video I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to buy subscription on YouTube. To buy subscription on YouTube, you just have to follow the steps. So first of all, I'm gonna use a browser, and on the web address bar type in YouTube 3-month free subscription. When you type in that, you could find the first link that appears. Press that and you could see enjoy 3 months of YouTube premium on us. So if you're sure about it, then you just read about all of these information, and then you could go ahead and start doing the procedure. Or else you could also do it directly from the YouTube. You just go ahead and open up your YouTube application and go to your profile and click the get icon. As you do that, you could see the purchase and membership. If you want to go with either one of it, so what you want to do is click on billing and payment. So here you could enable quick purchase, and then you want to go ahead and enter in your password information, all that, and you could start using your premium. So that's how you could get a YouTube premium or buy subscription on YouTube. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.